Ever wondered what's new in Next.js 13.5? The world of web development is always evolving, with new tools and frameworks popping up all the time. One such tool that has been making waves recently is Next.js, and with the release of version 13.5, there's a whole host of new features to explore. First off, Next.js 13.5 introduces Middleware, a new way to add server-side logic to your Next.js applications. Middleware allows you to run code before a request is completed, giving you more control over the response. This can be incredibly useful for things like authentication, logging, or even modifying the response itself. Next up, we have improvements to the image optimization feature. Next.js 13.5 now supports AVF format, a new image format that provides superior compression without sacrificing quality. This can significantly improve the performance of your website, especially for users on slower connections. But that's not all. Next.js 13.5 also introduces improvements to its routing system. With the new streaming server-side rendering feature, you can start sending data to the client as soon as possible, improving perceived performance. Moreover, there's a new feature called Concurrent Features. This allows Next.js to pre-render pages in the background while the user is interacting with the website, resulting in faster navigation times. And let's not forget about the improvements to the Next.js development server. It's now faster and more reliable, with better error reporting to make your development experience smoother. Finally, Next.js 13.5 brings enhancements to its internationalized routing. Now you can use automatic domain and locale detection, making it easier to create multi-language websites. So, to sum up, Next.js 13.5 brings a host of new features and improvements. From middleware and image optimization to improved routing and a faster development server, this update is packed full of enhancements that can make your web development experience better. These are just a few of the exciting new features and improvements in Next.js 13.5. It's clear that the team behind Next.js is committed to providing a robust, feature-rich framework for web developers. So if you're not already using Next.js, now might be the perfect time to start. And that wraps up our overview of Next.js 13.5. Remember, the world of web development is always changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest tools and technologies. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Keep coding with Mr.M, where we make web development easy and fun. Until next time, happy coding!
Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Turn on notifications bell. Please do comment what videos you want more.